Good morning, folks. My name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a Heritage Glen. It's the Elite Series by Forest River. It's a 34RL. We're going to step inside and take a look at some of the features on the interior, and we'll come back to the exterior. We have the nice solid steps going in. Makes entry and exit so much nicer. As you can see, this is a rear living. It's got the nice island, 4 chairs and a table, freestanding table and chairs. Nice theater seating, sofa across the back. You've got storage up above. Nice Jensen flat screen TV, an electric heater, fireplace. Nice ambiance and actually works very functional for producing some heat. It's got a nice pantry here. Good size LG microwave. Furrion gas grill top and oven. It's got the French door, refrigerator, freezer. This is an all-electric, which makes it really nice. It has a lot of storage in it. Solid counter surfaces. It's got the single basin stainless steel sink, residential style. Got a nice place here for some extra counter spot, and it does also have, it's equipped with the Wi-Fi router and range extender. More cabinets up here. They're nice and deep. More cabinets over here. Let's go ahead and step up to the front. Notice that there's no carpet on the steps. It's the worst place to have carpet. It wears so quickly. Nice little coat closet with a touch screen, all your controls, heated tanks. A nice 2 sinks, a nice vanity, good size shower. It's got the glass enclosure, skylight above the shower. And step back here. It's got the king size bed. Windows on both sides of the slide so you get nice cross ventilation. Great wardrobe, and it is set to have a washer and dryer installed in it. Storage in the rear of the closet. All LED lighting. This particular coach is equipped with 2 air conditioners and has a second TV in the bedroom. Let's go ahead and go to the exterior, take a look at the outside. Of course, it has a full electric awning, alloy wheels, an electric stabilizing system, a self-leveling system that levels the whole coach up. Nice pass-through storage. Of course, this is a 50 amp service coach. Exterior speakers. Mount for a TV on the exterior if you want to watch a big game out here. Your auto leveling system is located right here. Very easy to get to. Dual propane tanks. Your docking station, of course, is right here. Exterior shower, water filter. A ladder to access your roof. Folks, this is a great coach. We're real proud to have him. We just got the Heritage Glen in. It's a very, very good price point. Please give me a call if you have any questions. My name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. You can reach me at 541-521-8914. Thank you for your time.